That's right. I'm playing Cooking Mama Let's Cook. So anyone who wants to go down in the comments and say, Chris, this game is really old. Why do you play this? I'm playing it because it's cool, okay? Don't blame me. It's a cool game. Okay, now loading. Let's go ahead and just get this game started. Why is Mama's hair pink? Hold up. Exit out of that. Why is Mama's hair pink? Mama, did you dye your hair? I think she dyed her hair. I actually think she dyed her hair. I think Cooking Mama dyed her hair. But in this, it shows her hair normal. No, I don't want to view an ad. Stop. Let's do this. Cooking Mama. Have fun practicing. Oh, I clicked practice. Whatever, we can do it on practice. It's still a fun game. Clean the shrimp. I know I do this because I've played this game before. Not intentionally, not like this one, but I played the Cooking Mama games before. All my friends' Nintendo Switch, because I don't have one. Also, get us to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm not that kind of person who would just ask for subscribers, even though I just did that. Bye, Tail. Okay, anyways. Just, how many more? Oh, okay, that was the last one. Finished. Yay. Why is her hair pink? Oh, she's saying... Oh, I had to have my volume up for this. Never mind. Okay. What will you choose? The measure and add it. Okay. Oh, I went past. Okay. 15. Okay. Boink. How many of these do I have to do? Oh, quite a bit. Okay. Oh, 100. Okay. No, I did 125. Perfect. I will not hesitate to beat this, yes, game. 50. I think it glitched there. Okay. 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yay, I did it. Okay, last one. Just 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Perfect. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Mama's happy with your dyed pink hair. Why did you dye that, Mom? I'm actually incredibly concerned. Mom, why did you dye your hair? Butter it. Okay. Oh, you have to. Okay, sorry, I was confused there. Yay. Yay. It takes a minute to spin it. That rhymed. That should be a game show. Minute to spin it. I don't get it. No, I don't get myself. Why did I... Minute to win it? Why should that be a game show? Wait a second. Isn't that minute to win it? Isn't that already a game show? No, I meant to say minute to spin it. Is that already a game show? Minute to win it? Like you have a minute to win. Whatever. I don't know anymore. I'm slowly losing my mind. Okay. Deep fry it. Okay. Cooking Mama. I'm gonna do 2 at a time. Okay, you're done. What? No. Okay. Boink. And this one's about to be done. Yeah, did it on my first try. Yay! Don't talk to me again ever, Mama. Boil it. Don't talk to me again ever. I'm just joking. Okay. Saba noodles. I think that's what it said. D. What are you do? Oh god. This is getting confusing. Uh. Oh, you have to spin it. 3, 2, 1. And it's acidic. And spin. I'm starting to get it now. Stop spin. Boink. Oh, you have to hold it. Okay. Spin it. This is like incredibly. Stop. Spin. Yay, we did it. That did not turn out good. It looks the exact same. Cooking Mama's so proud of me. Okay. Oh, I already. Dang it, I clicked on the same recipe again. No, I am not doing this again. Pause. Leave me alone. I do not want to do that recipe again. I already did it. Okay. Put it. I'm clicking it. Okay. Sorry? Okay. Spill it. Do it. Careful not to spill. Oh. Okay. Half the noodles went flying earlier, so wake. Oh. Okay. Keep going. Yes. Keep going. More noodles! Come on. Come on. Oh, I messed it up. Oh. Oh, you have to pat it, like, bang on. You have to bang on the back of it like it's a child. Okay, I got 2 stars. Mama's not impressed. Okay, I finished that. Okay, guys, I just want to say I am happy with that video. I just want you to know I love you guys so much. Please like and subscribe. Yay. I need a nap.